Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League stuck on press any button to start screen on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, very important, you need to check if Rocket League servers are actually down. So you can go to your favorite browser, Chrome over here, and look up Rocket League status, server status, and see if there's any updates from Epic Games themselves. If not, further investigate on other platforms as well, especially Twitter. Now, if you can confirm that the status is up and there's no issue going on at all, what you can do is go to your Windows Start menu, type in Sound Settings, and some users actually experience some errors on Reddit that they're selecting the incorrect headphones, for example, chat for Steel Series instead of the game one. Uh, Selecting the appropriate device actually help them. But if not, you can close this and make sure to disable any external device or like VPNs and such, right? During gaming. So if this still doesn't resolve the issue, what you can do is go Windows Start button, click on it, go to Epic Games, right click and make sure to run this as the admin, right? And then open Rocket League normally as you would. And that's it pretty much. The majority of these problems are just from the servers being down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.